Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am Praful and I am thrilled to have you there for the launch of our brand new course. So today we are kicking off an exciting journey into the world of web development. So whether you are a seasoned developer looking to expand your skills in a backend, or you are a complete beginner and you want to dive into the world of web APIs, so you are at the right place and this course is just for you. So in this course, we will cover everything you need to know to build powerful, flexible, and secure web APIs using Django REST framework. So we will walk through the basics and build real-world applications. And by the end of this course, you will be able to build your own REST APIs, and you will be able to connect your REST APIs to front-end, and even you will deploy your own projects. So this course is carefully designed to take you from basics to advanced level. And we will cover the topics like authentication, serialization, web sets, and much more. So you can find the complete syllabus in the description of this video, and you can move forward. We value your engagement and questions, so please don't hesitate to ask in comments or ask questions throughout this course, and we'll try our best to answer you and make this learning experience fantastic.